10 clever uses for salt that don't involve cooking. Remove wine stains from carpet. When it comes to red wine spills, it pays to act fast. First, while the stain is still wet, pour some white wine on it to dilute the color of the stain. Then, dab the spot with a sponge in cold water. Next, sprinkle the area with salt, wait about 10 minutes, and vacuum up the whole mess. Here are more homemade carpet cleaners you already have in your house. Clean your fridge. You should clean your fridge every 3 to 6 months to keep it looking and smelling good. But elbow grease alone doesn't always do the trick. To leave stubborn food stains and smells, scrub the shelves with half cup of salt mixed with 2 liters of warm water. Here are more tips on cleaning out your fridge. Remove watermarks from wood. Glasses or bottles can leave watermarks on wood that really stand out. Make them disappear by mixing 1 teaspoon salt with a few drops of water to form a paste. Gently rub the paste onto the ring with a soft cloth or sponge and work it over the spot until it's gone. Then restore the luster of wood with furniture polish. If that doesn't work, here are 5 more things to try that might help remove those rings. Relieve bee stings. If you get stung by a bee, salt is a natural salve. Immediately wet the sting and cover with salt to lessen the pain and reduce swelling. Most bug bites and stings can be treated at home, but here's how to know when your sting needs immediate medical attention. Disinfect piercings. To speed up the healing process and prevent infections, soak new body piercing jewelry in salt water. Just be sure to use the correct ratio. The Piercing Bible recommends 1/4 teaspoon of non-iodized salt for each cup of warm water. You can get too much of a good thing. Water with high salt content can irritate your skin, according to the site. These are the most and least painful parts of your body to tattoo. Solutions that are worth their salt. From organic home cleaning and stain removal hacks to beauty scrubs and throat gargles, there are so many practical applications for salt. In addition, salt makes food taste really good. For this reason, salt was once so valuable that it was used as currency. According to the surprising facts about salt, read on for some of the very best household uses for salt that you've probably never heard of. Make coffee taste less bitter. Move over sugary lattes. If you drink your coffee unsweetened but prefer a less bitter brew, try tossing a pinch of salt into your mug. The seasoning contains sodium ions that neutralize or cancel out coffee's bitter taste, research has found. Cooking Light recommends adding about 1/8 teaspoon of salt into the ground coffee beans before turning on your coffee maker. Salt is just one of the 10 surprising things you should add into your coffee. Sanitize cotton boards. Countless studies have found that plastic and wood cutting boards harbor germs deep inside the grooves made by a knife. Luckily, you can keep bacteria at bay by adding one easy salt scrub step to your washing routine. For plastic boards that you use to handle meat, sprinkle bleach and salt on the board, scrub it with a stiff brush, and rinse with hot water. Wood boards can be sanitized using salt, rubbed in with a lemon wedge, then rinse clean. Learn which is better, plastic or wood. Restore a sponge. Hand and mop sponges usually get grungy long before they're actually worn out. To revive your sponges to a pristine state, soak them overnight in a solution of about 1/4 cup salt per liter of water. Try these 95 household uses for vinegar you never knew about too. Deodorize your Snickers. Snickers and other canvas shoes can get pretty smelly, especially if you wear them without socks in the summertime. Knock out the odor and soak up the moisture by occasionally sprinkling a little salt in your canvas shoes. Don't need these other fixes for shoe odors.